Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Sure this is something I could have done, but I got too nervous.
Oh no, it's okay. It looks like it's in a hole, kind of.
Well, I think it's like kind of. I mean, I'll show you each side. I mean,
Yeah.
this is where I started digging the gravel, but I was able to get it out of that hole.
Okay. Yeah.
Out here, it's like, you know, it's only touching like the
Oh,
half of
okay.
the tire.
Yeah, that should come up easier once we get some pole on the front. It'll just help the back tires make it over. And then...
Okay.
Good morning, everybody. I'm heading out to a winch out right now. It looks like they sent some pictures over. It looks like it's gonna be a fairly easy one. From what I could tell from the pictures, it looks like they were in their driveway and maybe just rolled off the side of it there into some loose gravel and kind of bottomed out or high centered on the gravel. Aren't able to get back into the road. But I'm thinking it'll be an easy one. Put a winch or two on there, pull it right back up in their driveway, and they should be able to drive it out from there because it is a Subaru, it is all-wheel drive, so it should be good on its own. We'll get up there, get it out, get it back onto the road, and have them on their way for their day. I just want to say thank you guys for all of you that are watching my videos and liking the channel. It really means a lot. The channel has actually been growing quite a bit lately. From when the time I started getting a little bit more serious about the videos in December. I went from 20 to whatever it is now, but it just keeps on going and going, and I really appreciate it all. I can't say it enough. Thank you guys for watching. Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Sure this is something I could have done, but I got too nervous.
Oh no, it's okay. It looks like it's in a hole, kind of.
Well, I think it's like kind of. I mean, I'll show you each side. I mean,
Yeah.
this is where I started digging the gravel, but I was able to get it out of that hole.
Okay. Yeah.
Out here, it's like, you know, it's only touching like the half of the tire.
Yeah, that should come up easier once we get some pole on the front. It'll just help the back tires make it over. And then,
Okay.
Let's see. I might because we're facing that way. I'm probably just back up. I'll get turned around. That way I can help pull it that direction.
Okay.
I'm guessing that's where you want to be heading.
That's where I want. I mean, I'm gonna end up parking for a minute before I go, but yeah, turn around that way is great.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm glad you're not freaked out by it. I was like, I can't tell if it's like I could have done it or I can't. And so,
oh no, that's no problem at all. And is it cool if I record this and everything?
Oh sure,
I like to record my recoveries. I do.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Thank you. tight here. Yeah. All right. Now that we have it there, we're ready to put it in neutral.
Okay.
And then if you want to hop inside and just put it in neutral, and then I'm just going to pull you up until the back tires reach all the way up onto the solid ground here.
Okay, do you want me to stay in once I put it in neutral?
Yeah, you'll be fine there.
I'm weighing it down more. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, because once we get a little bit more pressure on the back, it should lift it up pretty good here. All set. All right. If you want to turn the wheel that way, there we go. Enough on the ground there. We should be all set. All right, I think we made it over. If you want to put it in drive and just see if you can roll really slowly forward before I take the hooks off. All right, there you go. So I'll take these hooks off here and yours should be all set.
Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, no problem. Not too many of these. I did one just a few days ago over on Post Canyon Hood River. The whole car was off the road. So this one's a lot better than that situation. At least it didn't go too far back.
Yeah.
And then before I take off all the way, I'll just pull forward, that way you can get into the gravel here. Okay. And then just to make sure it's not going to spin at all. All right. Yeah, no problem. Everybody, that one worked out really good. It was kind of like I thought, where they just slightly backed off the back of the driveway there, and it kind of went into a little hole to where the back wheels weren't really getting enough traction to get it back into the main part of the driveway. But it wasn't too difficult. I put a line on the front, and luckily I had my chain bridle so I could hook up to both sides of the front of that Subaru. And good thing on Subarus is they have good tow hooks right on the bumper, right underneath the bumper there. That are hooked right to the frame. So I used those two tow points to pull it forward, and really all I needed was just enough to get those back wheels out of that hole back onto the flat, because as soon as they got contact with the ground, it lifted the whole car just enough so they had clearance so it could get back into the driveway. I'm glad I could get that recorded for you guys. And please, if you could, hit a like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and yeah, share with all your friends and family who might be interested in the type of work that I do. But thank you guys, see you guys on the next one.